Tired of dull knives slowing you down? The best kitchen knife sharpener restores razor-sharp edges in seconds. Effortless sharpening for precise cuts. Upgrade your kitchen experience today. Number 1. Sharp Knife Sharpener. A dull knife is not only inefficient but also dangerous, making a high-quality sharpening solution essential for any kitchen. The Sharp Knife Sharpener offers a premium sharpening experience, thanks to its superior materials and well-thought-out design. Made with high-quality aluminum oxide and sharpening compounds, this whetstone ensures long-lasting performance and consistent results. Unlike other sharpening stones that may degrade quickly or fail to provide a fine edge, this product guarantees a superior cutting experience every time. The package comes as a complete sharpening kit, including a sturdy bamboo base, a rubber base for stability, a knife sharpening angle guide, and a detailed instruction manual with an ebook full of sharpening tips. This comprehensive set caters to users of all skill levels, making it a great choice for beginners and experienced sharpeners alike. Safety is a top priority with this product. The rubber base ensures that the sharpening stone stays fixed in place, preventing unnecessary movement that can lead to accidents. The non-slip bamboo base further enhances stability, allowing for a controlled sharpening process. Additionally, the angle guide makes it easy to maintain the correct sharpening angle, ensuring precision and reducing the chances of damaging your knife's edge. Number 2. Work Sharp Knife Sharpener. Precision and versatility define the Work Sharp Knife Sharpener, making it an excellent tool for those who demand top-tier sharpening performance. Unlike conventional sharpening systems, this product is engineered to provide a guided, efficient sharpening experience that guarantees a perfect edge every time. Featuring an advanced 3-sided abrasive jig and clamp system, this sharpener allows for effortless sharpening without the need for extensive manual effort. Whether you are working with kitchen knives, hunting blades, or serrated edges, the precise angle-guided sharpening process ensures consistent results. One of its standout features is its adjustable sharpening angle, which ranges from 15 to 30 degrees in 1-degree increments. This level of customization makes it possible to restore dull blades or create a finely polished edge on high-performance knives. Additionally, the sharpener includes a tri-abrasive rod, allowing users to quickly switch between coarse and fine diamond surfaces as well as a fine ceramic stone. This versatility ensures that users can achieve the exact sharpening level required for different types of blades. The V-block clamp securely holds the knife in place, preventing accidental slips and ensuring an even sharpening process. This eliminates inconsistencies that can arise from hand sharpening methods and provides professional results in a fraction of the time. For those who value precision, efficiency, and control in their sharpening process, the Work Sharp Knife Sharpener is an outstanding investment. Number 3. Chef Knife Sharpener. Keeping knives in peak condition is crucial for maintaining kitchen efficiency, and the Chef Knife Sharpener is designed to transform your blades with precision and ease. Unlike traditional sharpening systems, this sharpener is built to convert standard 20-degree factory edges into high-performance Trizor 15-degree edges, significantly improving sharpness and cutting ability. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who frequently work with delicate slicing tasks, such as sushi preparation or fine vegetable chopping. The sharpening process is powered by advanced 100% diamond abrasives, ensuring fast and efficient sharpening for both straight-edged and serrated knives. Additionally, the inclusion of an advanced stropping stage further enhances the blade's polish, extending its lifespan while ensuring a razor-sharp edge. Another impressive aspect of this sharpener is its user-friendly design. Featuring patented flexible spring guides, it automatically adjusts and controls the sharpening angle, eliminating the guesswork involved in manual sharpening. This innovative system not only makes the process easier but also guarantees consistent results. The simple on-off switch further adds to its ease of use, making it a convenient tool for busy kitchens. Equipped with a 3-stage edge select sharpening system, this sharpener provides tailored sharpening for different cutting tasks. The first two stages use diamond abrasives for sharpening and honing, while the third stage polishes the edge using a flexible abrasive system. This ensures a well-balanced and durable edge, suitable for various kitchen tasks. Number 4. Work Sharp Electric Culinary. The Work Sharp Electric Culinary Knife Sharpener revolutionizes sharpening with its fully guided, push-button automation. This sharpener ensures an even and consistent sharpening angle, removing the uncertainties associated with manual methods. Designed with premium abrasives, it restores dull knives effortlessly and maintains sharp edges with a built-in ceramic hone wheel. Whether you're dealing with kitchen knives, serrated edges, scissors, or shears, this device is versatile enough to handle all types of cutting tools. Ideal for both professional chefs and home users, this sharpener is engineered to handle high-quality knife steels with precision. The ease of use and professional results make it a must-have for those who demand sharp knives at all times. Its fully guided automation ensures that even beginners can achieve expert-level sharpening with minimal effort. Number 5. Rolling Knife Sharpener. A well-maintained blade is the key to precision in the kitchen, and this innovative tool makes the sharpening process effortless. Designed for efficiency, it features a dual surface system to restore blades to their optimal condition. One end incorporates a 400 grit diamond surface, providing a rough sharpening stage to refine dull edges. The other end features a smooth ceramic surface, ensuring a polished, razor-sharp finish. Whether it's a high-carbon steel knife or a delicate sushi blade, this tool guarantees precision sharpening with minimal effort. Unlike traditional sharpening stones, which can be cumbersome and time-consuming, this rolling sharpener simplifies the process, offering superior control and comfort. What sets this sharpener apart is its thoughtfully designed multi-angle base, which caters to a variety of sharpening needs. The base includes 4 adjustable angles, 12 degrees and 15 degrees for ultra-sharp precision, ideal for fine slicing tasks such as preparing sushi or delicate cuts. For more heavy-duty kitchen tasks, the 20 degrees and 25 degrees angles create a sturdy, durable edge, ensuring knives can handle tougher materials like meat, vegetables, and dense bread crusts. This versatility makes it an essential tool for both professional chefs and home cooks alike. Instead of struggling with inconsistent sharpening techniques, this system provides a user-friendly experience, guiding the blade along the ideal angle every time. Unlike conventional sharpening stones that require extensive manual effort, the rolling motion of this device allows for a smoother, more natural sharpening process. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.